Hey there, it's Gordon Firemark, the podcast lawyer, and you've made it to the final video in this series. Thank you for sticking with me. Let's finish strong. We've talked about why trademarks matter. We've talked about what can go wrong and what you gain when you register. Now let's talk about how. How do you actually get a trademark registered? And more importantly, how do you do it right? Well, let's start with the question I get most. Can I do this myself? The honest answer is yes, you can if you know what you're doing. But the smarter question is, should you? Filing a trademark isn't just typing information into a form. It's a legal process and it requires some precision. First, there's a clearance search. You have to make sure no one else is using a similar mark, not just the same name, but similar sound or look or feel. And then comes the application, where you have to choose the right classes of goods and services, the correct filing basis, write a precise description of the goods and services you market, upload proof of your use, and if you mess up even one of these steps, then your application could be rejected. Or worse, you get approved, but then the protection you get is too narrow to actually defend your brand, or it's just thin. I've had creators come to me after filing on their own, and I've had to tell them, unfortunately, we've got to start over. That's time and money and momentum lost. Now let's talk about the smart way. When you work with me, here's what you get. You get a professional search to uncover potential conflicts and my time analyzing that. You get strategic advice on how to strengthen your mark. Choosing a mark at the beginning is good. A clean, complete, correctly filed application, responses to office actions and objections, and ongoing tracking all the way through to approval. Plus, I help you think ahead because your brand will grow and you'll want protection to grow with it. Trademark registration isn't just legal, it's foundational. It's what separates the dabblers from the professionals. I've helped hundreds of creators do this stuff right, and I would love to help you too. So here's your next step. Download the free guide over at podcasttrademark.com and then book a call with me. We'll talk through your brand, see what protection you need, and make sure things get handled properly. Because this isn't just paperwork, it's ownership. You're buying or securing title to assets. It's about making sure nobody else can stop you from using the name you've built. If you've ever said, I want to grow this brand, I want to monetize safely, I want to be taken seriously, this is your moment. Trademark registration is the final move that turns your brand from fragile into formidable. Get the guide, book the call. Let's lock it in. I'm Gordon Firemark. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay protected, and stay legit with your business.